Hello, welcome to week 13 of first grade. Hope you guys are all doing well. First, I have to apologize because the November calendar that got sent home, I somehow forgot to update the math for this week and next week. So we are not doing doubles and near doubles. We've already done that. Well, in a way, we sort of are. This week, we are going to be talking about addition and subtraction strategies, and it does include doubles and near doubles. So this is basically a review of all the strategies that we've already learned for addition and subtraction. By now, a lot of your kids have probably chosen their favorite way or the way that works best in their brain to do addition. Maybe not so much with subtraction yet because subtraction is still sort of fresh. But this week, what I really want is for you to let them use whatever strategy it is that works best for them to solve these math problems. For some of them, that means they're going to need counters or something to count out manually. For some of them, they are going to use their fingers. For some of them, they need to draw pictures. I know in my class this last week, we started learning how to use a number line. They can definitely use a number line. And remember, I believe I showed you last week, you're going to count the jumps, not the numbers. So if the problem was 8 take away 3, if they are going backwards, remember we learned last week they can go forward to do that. But if they're going backwards, let me turn this so you can see. You're going to start here, and they're going to count their jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It took 5 jumps to get to 3. So your answer is 5. They're not. If they counted the numbers, it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then they're going to get the wrong answer. So make sure you remind them to count their jumps. This week I was also telling them to count the hills because some of them were not understanding count the jumps, and I'll show you what that means. If they're going forward, they would start at 3 and count up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same answer, of course, because it's the same answer, but tell them to count the hills if they're not understanding count the jumps. Have them draw a dot at the top of each hill, and that helps them see their jumps if they got confused while counting, okay? So number line works great. Fingers, always acceptable, especially in lower grades. Counters, doubles, if they have their doubles facts memorized and they're working on problems that are close to doubles, of course, and this chapter is going to have them review their doubles. It's also going to be looking at +1 and +2 and finding partners for 7, 8, and 9. So there's a lot crammed into this chapter, but if they can understand this chapter, it's really going to solidify all of these addition and subtraction strategies, and it's really going to help them progress in the future because we're going to be getting into more difficult addition and more difficult math, and we really want to have this foundation down. If when you're working with your child at home you notice something that they're just not getting, please message Miss Cindy or I so we can make sure we're working one-on-one with your kids. We're lucky this year that we have such small class sizes right now, so we can really work with the kids one-on-one on things that they are just not getting to help them catch up. So please, if there's something you're seeing that maybe we are seeing it, but we just haven't communicated about it, please make sure that you are letting us know so that we can make sure that your child is getting what they're needing when they are here. We can also give you strategies to help you work with your child at home. A good thing that you can start doing that we will be doing in class, but is start teaching them to count by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That will also help with this particular chapter because they will be looking at a number +1 and a number +2. I think that's it for this week. Remember, just let your child use the strategy that works best for them because not every child works the same way. Some of them understand specific strategies better than others, and we don't want them to be confused. We want them to know and be confident that they can solve these math problems. Of course, if you have any questions or have anything that you need help with, let us know. Otherwise, I hope you have a good week, and we will see you guys later. Thanks.